Top 3 best teas for seniors to boost leg strength. Have you ever felt that moment of hesitation before standing up? That feeling like your legs just don't have the same power they used to? Maybe you get tired more quickly, or you find yourself avoiding stairs. You're not alone, and it's not just getting older, it's a sign that your body needs the right support. What if I told you that you could start rebuilding your leg strength and boosting your energy levels with something as simple and comforting as a warm cup of tea? In this video, we're going to explore the top 3 science-backed teas that are helping seniors regain their strength, improve circulation, and feel more confident on their feet. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a surprising bonus ingredient that can supercharge these benefits. Let's start with our number 1 powerhouse, Ginger Turmeric Tea. Imagine a warm, healing cup of ginger turmeric tea. This isn't just a comforting drink. It's a true powerhouse for anyone wanting to feel stronger in their legs and more energized throughout the day. Here's why it works so well. Both ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation is a major cause of joint pain, stiffness, and muscle fatigue in seniors. When you combine these 2, they work together to reduce the inflammation that makes your legs feel heavy and sore. But it gets even better. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to improve blood circulation. Think of your leg muscles as hard-working engines. They need a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood to function properly. When circulation slows down, your muscles don't get the nutrients they need, leading to weakness and fatigue. A daily cup of ginger tea can gently boost that blood flow, helping your legs feel more alive. Turmeric's secret weapon is curcumin, a compound famous for its ability to protect muscles from breakdown and support recovery. This means that after a walk or some light activity, curcumin can help your muscles repair themselves more efficiently. It's incredibly easy to make. Simply take a few slices of fresh ginger root and a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Let them steep in hot water for about 10 minutes. For an extra boost, add a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb the curcumin from the turmeric more effectively. You can also add a little honey or a squeeze of lemon for flavor. Enjoy 1 cup in the morning to start your day with less stiffness and more energy. Consistency is key here. After a couple of weeks, you might start to notice a real difference. Quick tip before we move on. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss natural ways to stay strong and active as you age. Now let's move on to something truly revitalizing. Ginseng Green Tea. If you've been feeling drained, like your energy just gives out halfway through the day, this tea could be a game changer. We're combining 2 powerful plants here. Let's start with ginseng. This root is a famous adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. As we age, our bodies are under constant stress from inflammation, hormonal changes, and the general wear and tear of life. Ginseng helps your body build resilience against this stress, so your legs don't feel like they're fighting an uphill battle every time you move. Studies have shown that ginseng can actually improve muscle performance and endurance, even in older adults. It helps your muscles use oxygen more efficiently, which means more stamina and less tiredness. Now let's pair that with green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, called catechins, that fight off free radicals in your muscles and joints. These free radicals cause damage over time, making your legs feel older than they really are. Drinking green tea regularly helps your body protect itself. But here's the energy secret. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that provides a calm, focused energy without the jitters of coffee. When you combine this with the strength-building properties of ginseng, you get a long-lasting, steady lift in both mental and physical energy. How to prepare it? Brew a cup of high-quality green tea for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add a few thin slices of ginseng root or a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. This is another tea that benefits from a touch of honey. This tea is perfect for mid-morning or early afternoon when you need a gentle push to stay active and sharp. Our 3rd tea is a very special one. It doesn't just support your legs. It helps bring balance and strength to your entire body. It's called Ashwagandha Root Tea. Ashwagandha is another powerful adaptogen, but it works in a unique way. When you're stressed from health worries, finances, or poor sleep, your body produces a hormone called cortisol. Over time, too much cortisol weakens your muscles and drains your energy. Ashwagandha helps regulate your cortisol levels. It calms your nervous system and tells your body you're safe. You can relax. You can rebuild. That shift alone can make your legs feel stronger because your body finally has the green light to heal and restore muscle instead of breaking it down. And here's where it gets really interesting for leg strength. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can increase muscle strength and endurance, especially in older adults. It also helps with nerve health, which plays a big role in how your legs feel and respond. If you sometimes feel shaky or unstable, ashwagandha can support those neuromuscular connections, giving you better coordination. The sleep connection. This tea is a superstar when it comes to sleep. Drinking it in the evening can help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. And when you sleep better, your muscles repair themselves. If you're not resting well, your body can't do that crucial repair work. How to prepare it? Take about a teaspoon of dried ashwagandha. Root and simmer it gently in water for 10-15 minutes. Strain it and drink it warm. It has a slightly earthy, nutty flavor that blends well with warm spices like cinnamon or a bit of honey. Making this tea a part of your evening routine can lead to stronger legs and a calmer mind. Now for that bonus tip I promised. If you really want to supercharge the benefits of these teas, especially for circulation, consider adding hibiscus. Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants and has been shown in studies to help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients getting to your leg muscles, which is essential for strength and recovery. You can easily add a few dried hibiscus flowers to your ginger turmeric tea or your ginseng green tea. It adds a lovely tart, cranberry-like flavor and a beautiful red color. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference. So there you have it, 3 powerful, natural teas that can make a real difference in how your legs feel. Ginger turmeric tea to fight inflammation and boost circulation. Ginseng green tea to strengthen muscles and increase stamina. And ashwagandha root tea to restore balance and support overnight recovery. Remember, these aren't magic pills. They are gentle, daily tools to help you walk stronger, feel steadier, and move through life with more confidence. The key is consistency. You deserve to feel strong again, and it all starts with one small, healing step. Which of these teas are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. And if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research-backed senior health tips made just for you. Here's to stronger legs and a more vibrant life. Now that you know the top 3 best teas for seniors to boost leg strength, just imagine the results when you pair them with the right vitamins. Tap on the next video where I reveal 3 essential vitamins. Every senior needs to boost leg power and stay active faster than you think.